Everybody, it's Sandy here with Danny Reviews, and check out these. If you're struggling with dull kitchen scissors that barely can cut through tomato, let alone chicken bones, you need to stop and pick up this pair here. This is an Andong heavy. These here are Andong heavy duty stainless steel kitchen scissors that are built like a tank. Just check this out. These have some weight to them. They're solid stainless steel. These are going to be your go-to kitchen scissors that are just going to make meal prep a whole lot easier. These are designed professionally to cut through poultry, turkey, even small bones. Reaching for a big knife or a cutting board, you don't need that anymore. These are ultra sharp. The blades here are super sharp, so you get clean cuts on meat, fish, and veggies, which saves time on prep, making this just feel smoother. And what I really like is that this here is spring-loaded, so I can release this latch here, and I got this spring-loaded cut. This is going to help reduce fatigue or any repetitive cutting and make that meal prepping a lot easier. And again, the stainless steel construction means this is durable, rust resistant, and just made for everyday use in your kitchen. These are multi-purpose, so you can use them for trimming herbs, slicing pizza, that's what I'm going to use them for, snipping packaging, and more. This is going to be your all-in-one tool. And what makes this food prep faster, and if you want to make food prep faster, safer, and a lot more convenient, then you have to check out this upgraded heavy-duty kitchen shears. Also comes in a nice sleeve. We can lock these back in place, pop them into our sleeve here. It has a little loop so you can connect this to your belt, carry these with you even if you go camping. Definitely recommend picking this up.